So I found this mineralized wood just right here on the upper part of the ranch. Just laying on the ground. It's different than what I normally see. So I put some hydrogen peroxide on it, which I guess is not surprising that it's reacting like this, because hydrogen peroxide will react with organic material and also sulfides. However, I have had permineralized and petrified wood before that doesn't react this much, so I suspect sulfides and, of course, the organic material. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's really, oh geez. Yeah, that's really foaming. So, very interesting. I just sprayed a little bit of hydrogen peroxide on, and this is what I got, so. Quite the reaction.